Next, a book costs rupees 12 more than the chocolate. The total cost of two such books and five such chocolates is rupees 129. What is the cost of one chocolate? Here, let the cost of book be x and chocolate be y. We don't know anything. Now what is given? This book costs 12 rupees more than the chocolate. So x equals to chocolate plus 12, y plus 12, right? First understand this. Book cost of book is 12 rupees more. So x equals to y plus 12. Now what is next given? Total cost of two books and five chocolates. See here, two books and five chocolates, 2x and 5y. The cost of both is given as 129. So 2x plus 5y equals to 129. Getting it up to this? Now move on to next. But what is x? X equals to y plus 12. Just put y plus 12 in place of x. 2 multiply x. So this becomes 2 multiply y plus 12. Put y plus 12 over here. So instead of x we have y plus 12. Now just multiply. 2 multiply y is 2y and 2 multiply 12 because this is for the whole bracket. So 2 multiply 12 is 24 and this 5y remains same plus 5y equals to 129. So where is y? Y and y. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7y plus 24 equals to 129. We want y. So keep 7y on one side, 24 on the other side. So 129 minus 24 plus becomes minus. So it becomes 105. So 7y equals to 105. So y equals to 105 upon 7. So 7 15th. Learn tables. Again I am saying the same thing. Learn tables up to 20. So 7 15th. And y is 15. What is y of one chocolate? The answer is